If you're working on a 2013 Ford F-150 and you want to replace the 6x8 speaker in the front, you're going to need 3 different sockets, a number 8, a number 6, and a 5.5, and I'm going to show you why. So inside the door handle, we want to pop up this little door, and it's going to reveal one 8mm bolt. And behind this little cover, we're going to have one more 8mm bolt. On the bottom of the door panel, we're going to use our number 6 to take off 2 bolts. Lift up on the door panel because it's only held in by hooks, not clips. That's one thing I do like about Fords. Disconnect these harnesses. These right here are a little rough because you gotta make sure you squeeze both of them. I have to put pressure on this one on this side, twist it to where I have an opening, put pressure on that one, then pull it out. And now we swap to our 5.5. Then you just want to disconnect this little harness right here, and just like that you have removed the 6x8 speaker. Now this one was blown. As you can see, the surround is deteriorated from the front, so it's definitely time for a new upgrade. You can put any 6x8 speaker on here that you want. If you want to make it easier on yourself, please get the speaker harnesses. I believe it's like a 7.2 5600. You just plug that in just like that, no guesswork. This one, white's positive, black negative, and then they already have the spade terminals to go on to your aftermarket speaker.